If you're dealing with cloudy or blurry vision, you may have cataracts. At Florida Eye Specialists, we are here to help. Cataract surgery is one of the procedures that we do very frequently. It's low risk, safe, and effective. At Florida Eye Specialists, we do have several lens options and laser options that help you get your best outcome and get you back to all your favorite activities.
I came in to see Dr. Francis at Florida Eye Specialists because I couldn't see. I had cataracts real bad.
With the light adjustable lens, the prescription in the lens inside your eye can be adjusted after cataract surgery non-invasively. So we can add in reading vision, we can tweak your prescription, and we're getting double the number of patients to 20/20 vision and out of glasses, which is excellent. In addition, we're also doing the Femtosecond Laser, which does help with precision, safety, and effectiveness in getting decreased swelling and increased time back to your activities sooner rather than later.
I had the surgery and everything come out very good. I can actually see, I can read, I can drive a car, I can do everything I used to do when I was young. I think I can see better than I could before with the lenses that they put in.
Don't let your cataracts hold you back. Allow us to help you get your clearest vision and come on into Florida Eye Specialists where we can discuss your options for cataract surgery.